Pydantic AI's agent resolves the instructions of every function toolset registered at construction time, appending each toolset's guidance into the model request so the LLM understands how to use the tools it is given. This artifact demonstrates two separate toolsets, each carrying its own instructions string, being passed together to a single agent that then combines those instructions transparently. The setup begins with two FunctionToolset instances, each decorated with @toolset_tool_plane to expose a forecast and a scheduling function. Then both toolsets are supplied to the agent constructor via the toolsets parameter, after which agent runsync executes with a prompt and result. All messages 0. Instructions reveals the combined guidance. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, FunctionToolset. From Pydantic AI Models, Import TestModel. Weather Toolset equals FunctionToolset instructions equals use weather tools for forecasts. At weather toolset tool plane. Def forecastity, SDR. Get weather forecast. Return sunny. Calendar toolset, function toolset instructions equals use calendar tools for scheduling. At calendar toolset tool plane. Def schedule event, SDR. I schedule an event. Return scheduled. TestModel equals TestModel. Agent equals agentist model. Toolsets equals weather toolset, calendar toolset. Result equals agent, run syncplin my day. Print result, all messages 0, instructions. Use weather tools for forecasts. Use calendar tools for scheduling. Two function toolsets with separate instructions are registered on a single agent via the toolset's keyword argument, and when the agent runs, their instructions are appended together in the model request. Each toolset carries its own usage guidance via the instructions parameter on FunctionToolset, and the agent combines them in order of registration. The @toolset_tool plane decorator registers plain functions as tools without needing agent context access. This avoids duplicating instructions across agents that share the same toolset, keeping tool-specific guidance co-located with the tool definitions. The trade-off is that instructions from multiple toolsets are concatenated, so they need to be concise to stay within context window limits. For production, this pattern scales well when you have domain-specific tool groups, but you lose fine-grained control over instruction ordering beyond registration order. Let's break it down. From Pydantic AI Import Agent, FunctionToolset. From Pydantic AI Models, Import TestModel. Imports agent and FunctionToolset from Pydantic AI for agent construction and tool registration, plus TestModel from the TestModels module for a mock LLM backend. Weather toolset equals function toolset instructions equals use weather tools for forecasts. Creates a function toolset instance named weather toolset with the instruction use weather tools for forecasts, passed as the instructions parameter. At weather toolset tool plane. Def forecastity, SDR. Get weather forecast. Return sunny. Defines a tool function, forecast, that accepts a city name and returns the string, sunny. The @weather toolset tool plane decorator registers this function as a plain tool within the weather toolset. Calendar toolset, function toolset instructions equals use calendar tools for scheduling. Creates a function toolset named calendar toolset with an instructions string advising the agent to use calendar tools for scheduling. At calendar toolset tool plane. Def schedule event, SDR. I schedule an event. Return scheduled. Registers a tool named schedule on the calendar toolset that accepts an event string and returns the literal scheduled. The docstring labels it as scheduling an event. TestModel equals TestModel. Agent equals Agentist model. Toolsets equals weather toolset, calendar toolset. Instantiates a test model instance. Creates an agent bound to that model with two toolsets, weather and calendar, passed as a list. Result equals agent. Run synclin my day. Print result, all messages 0, instructions. Runs the agent synchronously with the prompt plan my day, storing the run result in result. Then retrieves all messages from that result, takes the first one, and prints its instructions attribute. Use calendar tools for scheduling. A directive instructing the agent to utilize calendar tools for scheduling tasks. The pattern here is straightforward. You create separate FunctionToolset instances, each carrying its own instructions, and hand them to a single agent via the toolset's parameter. The agent then resolves each toolset's instructions and appends them into the model request in registration order. The @toolset tool plane decorator registers plain functions as tools without needing agent context access, keeping tool definitions and their guidance co-located. The result, all messages 0. Instructions call confirms the combined guidance made it into the request. The trade-off is that instructions get concatenated, so they need to stay concise to fit context windows, and you lose fine-grained control over ordering beyond the list you pass in. But when you have domain-specific tool groups, this keeps guidance tied to the tools it describes and scales cleanly across agents that share those same toolsets.
The agent collects weather and calendar tools, yet speaks only in instructions, letting the tool work sync beneath what it returns.